Hi, welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is the properties of materials, part 1. In this video we will 1. Explore wood and its properties. 2. Outline the uses of wood. Wood has been in service since humans appeared on Earth. Today, in spite of technological advancement and competition from metals, plastic, cement and other materials, wood maintains a place in most of its traditional roles and its serviceability is expanding through new uses. Wood is defined as the hard fibrous material that forms the primary substance of the trunk or branches of tree or shrub, used for fuel, timber and many other materials. Wood is a very important material because of its many uses. It is a principal strengthening and nutrient-conducting tissue of plants obtained from trees comprising cellulose and lignin. Are you aware that wood is one of the most abundant and versatile natural materials on Earth? Wood has various levels of elasticity and strength, making it ideal for various items and construction purposes. There are 5 main parts of a tree and they include 1. Root. It is a part of a plant that anchors and supports the tree. It also absorbs and stores water, nutrients, and the xylem carries them to the rest of the tree. 2. Trunk or stem. This is the part that acts as a support for the branches which rise as high as possible towards the light. It is the wooden axis of a tree recycled for construction purposes. 3. Branches. It is the thicker arms that grow directly from the trunk. 4. Leaves. These manufacture food for the trees through the action of sunlight and air. 5. Bark. Bark is the outermost layer of stems and roots of woody plants and protects the growing parts of the tree from the weather, animals, and other forms of destruction. Wood is available in many different shapes and sizes, and different species of trees enable us to identify some woods by their color. Examples are shown in this table. 1. The Iroko tree is yellow-brown in color. 2. The mahogany tree is reddish-brown. 3. Afara tree has pale yellow or brown color. 4. Teak tree is golden brown in color. 5. The hill tree is orange-brown or reddish-brown. 6. The cotton green tree is grayish-white to grayish-brown. 7. The hickory tree color varies from reddish to pale or golden brown. Woods are classified into hardwood and softwood, and they have different characteristics or properties. This table shows the properties of hardwood and softwood. 1. Hardwoods are derived from deciduous trees, while softwood are derived from coniferous trees. 2. Hardwood have broad leaves, but the softwood have needle-like leaves. 3. Hardwood shed their leaves once every year to prevent water loss, but softwood have evergreen leaves. 4. Hardwoods are heavier and more durable, while softwoods are lighter and not as durable. 5. Hardwood seeds are enclosed in case or shell, but softwood have naked seeds. 6. Hardwood produce timbers for furniture, but softwood are produced for commercial uses. 7. Hardwoods are grown mostly in tropical regions, while softwoods are grown mostly in temperate regions. 8. Hardwood is more fire and water resistant, while softwood are less fire and water resistant. Wood is an incredibly versatile and valuable natural resource with many practical uses. Here are some common uses of wood. 1. Furniture. Wood is commonly used to make furniture such as beds, chairs, tables, and decks. Wooden furniture can be functional, durable, and aesthetically pleasing, adding warmth and character to any room. 2. Construction. Wood is widely used in construction, from framing houses and buildings to building decks, fences, and sheds. Wood is strong, lightweight, and easy to work with, making it a popular choice for many construction projects. 3. Flooring. Wood flooring is a popular choice for many homes and buildings. It comes in various types such as engineered and laminated woods and adds a natural and timeless look to any space. 4. Paper and cardboard. Wood is used to produce paper and cardboard, essential materials for writing, printing, packaging, and other everyday uses. Many books, newspapers, magazines, and packaging materials are made from wood. 5. Energy. Wood can be used as a renewable source of energy. It can be burned to produce heat or converted into biofuels such as wood pellets, which are used as an alternative fossil fuel for heating and electricity generation. 6. Tools and utensils. Wood is used to make various tools and utensils such as cutting boards, spoons, spatulas, and tool handles. Wood is often chosen for these items because it is durable, easy to shape, and has a natural warm feel. 7. Art and crafts. Wood is a popular material for art and craft projects. It can be painted, stained, and used creatively to make sculptures, carvings, picture frames, and other decorative items. 8. Outdoor uses. Wood is used for outdoor applications such as in the construction of decks, fences, pergolas, and garden furniture. 9. Musical instruments. Wood is used to construct many instruments including guitars, violins, pianos, and drums. The type of wood used can affect the sound quality and tone of the instrument. 10. Recreation. Wood is used to make a wide range of recreational items such as sports equipment like baseball bats, hockey sticks, playground structures, and camping gear like tents and campfires. These are just some of the many uses of wood. Wood is a valuable resource that humans have used for thousands of years to create various functional, artistic, and recreational items. We've come to the end of this lesson. Try out the following questions. Number 1. Discuss the term wood and its types. 2. List 5 types of wood and their colors. 3. Explain 5 differences between hardwood and softwood. 4. Highlight 4 uses of wood. Thank you for studying about the properties of materials part 1 with me. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.